Maruti Suzuki's India Road Safety Mission 2014, in association with Times Now, honors individuals under various categories who have worked persistently towards the cause of road safety. This week we bring to you the stories of Harman Singh Sodhi. After a road accident claimed his ability to walk, Harman soldiered on and started Arrive Safe, an organization that works towards enforcing traffic rules and regulations in Punjab and Haryana. RASI, designed by JP Research India, road accident sampling system was developed exclusively to record accident data and conduct post-crash analysis. Community Against Drunken Driving, an organization dedicated to the cause of promoting responsible drinking, especially amongst the youth. And using the methodology of theoretical and practical training is Safe Drive India, committed towards developing road safety programs to increase awareness and skills amongst all types of road users. Overcoming disabilities is not the easiest thing to do. While most in his situation would have given up on any chance at a normal life, Harman Singh Sidhu soldiered on after a road accident claimed his ability to walk.
I was a very fond traveler, so nearly thrice or 4 times a month I used to go uphill without thinking which place I'm going to, just to enjoy the nature and the mountains. So during one of those visits way back in October 96, I, along with 3 of my friends, we had gone to a place called Renuka Lake, that's in Himachal Pradesh. And during that visit, our car rolled down into a gorge and I got a spinal injury.
A bright lad with a promising future, Harman was ready to leave for Canada when this road trip took a turn for the worse. Little did he know that an innocent trip with his friends would change his life forever.
I was kind of shocked that what is wrong with me, that I don't feel anything and I cannot move. So I was time and again asking my friends, 2 of them who were doctors, as what has happened to me, that why cannot I move my body?
I also never knew that the injury is such a grievous thing. But anyway, we came out of the thing. While he was in the hospital, he used to say, "Daddy, I shall be all right. I shall be all right."
A courageous Harman did not give up hope and started Arrive Safe as a means to educate the many who take the cause of road safety extremely lightly.
His mission is, he used to say, well, in case I can save a few lives or one life, I am very happy. So he had picked up this Arrive Safe, road safety mission with a zeal.
Please give a big hand up.
The organization often undertakes various activities to involve youngsters in the cause to ensure a safer future for the people on the roads of India.
The very important thing is that we are youngsters, but then we have to keep, as our headmaster rightly said, it's the time when impulse takes over, but we need to control ourselves.
We were taught many things like traffic awareness, how can we avoid accidents and all, some rules which we didn't even know.
Arrive Safe has a dedicated team that works towards policy changes and advocates various road safety measures.
Now I am working very closely with the World Health Organization, the Global Road Safety Partnership. It all comes under the UN Decade of Action for Road Safety 2011-2020. So they have very scientifically planned as what are the causes for road crashes and how they have to be dealt.
On the policy level, after extensive research, Arrive Safe petitioned to shut down all liquor stores on the highway and succeeded in their endeavor, but are still fighting to get it implemented.
If we see, probably India is the only country where liquor is so easily available along the highways. Drinking and driving is one of the major causes of road crashes, and if this can be controlled, the number of road crashes and the deaths and injuries caused by it, that can be reduced by 30 to 50%.
The Chandigarh Police has also supported Arrive Safe in its cause to bring about stringent road safety measures for the benefit of the road users.
We always associate Harman Sidhu with us when we go for such campaigning in the schools and the big organizations. He has so much of knowledge on this subject and the data that really impresses the audience, and that gives a big boost for the public to accept it.
The team at Arrive Safe works hard day and night to ensure a safer world for people like us. Around 5:30 a.m. on a Monday morning, an ambulance travelling to Mumbai from Nanded district in Maharashtra collides with a barrier on the Mumbai-Pune expressway.
मुंबईला चालले होते तर एक पेशंट पण होते ड्रायव्हर
3 of the 7 occupants of the ambulance, including the patient, sustained fatal injuries.
An ambulance which was coming from that side in the same direction here has actually lost control, went off the road and has hit the barrier that you see there. As soon as we come to the crash scene is identify the crash area, and we try to identify all the crash scene evidences which are pertaining to this crash, especially the trajectory, that's most important, and also after hitting the barrier, where did the vehicle stop.
Conducting an on-site crash investigation and studying the data collected from such accidents is JP Research India, a data analysis and research firm dedicated to road and automotive safety for India.
Our goal is to establish a world-renowned traffic safety research and training center in India to reduce accidents and fatalities on Indian roads.
The data collected from in-depth crash investigations is fed into a scientific database called Road Accident Sampling System India, or RASI, which was started in 2011.
The need to start RASI was the lack of in-depth crash data, scientific data, which can be used by not only the governments but also by the vehicle developers and the manufacturers to design vehicles, roadways, and also train people in a way that will make Indian roads safer.
With the crash data, a reconstruction of the accident is made with the help of RASI's PC crash software.
The main idea of doing a reconstruction is to identify the vehicle behavior, to optimize the reconstruction with respect to the evidence that we have seen, so that we attain the final positions right and also the damages right.
Studying road traffic victims' injuries is the most important phase which completes the process of crash investigation. Coding through AIS, we can do statistical analysis on injuries of road traffic victims and mitigate injuries in future.
In 2012, JP Research approached the Maharashtra State Highway Police to conduct detailed on-site investigation and accident data collection for the Mumbai-Pune Expressway. Of the 214 expressway accidents examined under RASI from October 2012 to October 2013, trucks and car accidents were seen to constitute 92% of the vehicles involved in the accidents. In cases involving car accidents, 58% of the accidents had at least one fatal occupant, while 45% had at least one seriously injured occupant. Human factors alone, like driver fatigue or speeding, contribute to 57% of the factors influencing the occurrence of accidents.
The project is being done in cooperation with the Maharashtra State Highway Police. So all the reports that we publish are published for them so that they can use this data for better road safety strategies.
With centers in Coimbatore, Pune and Ahmedabad, RASI database is shared by a consortium of automotive manufacturers who use it to improve vehicle design and develop India-specific safety technologies. With over 2,000 crashes investigated to date, JP Research India is at the forefront of road safety in the country, helping authorities understand Indian roads and road users in a way that they can save their lives.